Unlock precise and powerful email outreach with this guide to mastering Brevo for your business communication. First, let's dive into creating your very first email campaign from your Brevo dashboard. Navigate to the Email Marketing tab and click on Create a Campaign. You'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign for regular newsletters or promotional emails. Select Marketing Campaign. Next, give your campaign a clear and descriptive name. Now, it's time to craft your subject line A circumflex euros. Keep it catchy and concise to encourage opens then. Set your sender name and email address so your audience knows who you're from. The crucial next step is selecting your audience here. You can choose an existing contact list or create a new one. Managing your lists effectively is key to sending targeted messages. Brevo offers fantastic tools to design your emails. You can pick from pre-made templates or build your own from scratch using the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Add your logo, content, and calls to action. Before you hit send, always review your campaign for any typos or design glitches. Once you're happy, you can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a later date. Finally, after your email is out, don't forget to track its success. Brevo's analytics dashboard provides valuable insights into open rates, click-through rates, and more, helping you refine future campaigns.